Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you this week with some more wonderful information. Today I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of chest freezers. Personally, I like stand-up freezers, but that's me, not you, but I'm going to give you my pros and cons. The nice thing about the little chest freezers here is they are a lot more compact. They do have quite a bit of space. They are, good, but, for quality spaces. Now, my problem is the depth down there. I guarantee you, me being me, I'm going to fill this up, and I am probably not going to go farther than this digging down deep, which means all that stuff on the bottom is going to be stuck there for quite a long time. That's my biggest dislike about chest freezers. Now, if you're very good about rotating and moving things in and out, these are very, very good. I prefer stand-up freezers because everything is right there so you can see all the shelves. But that's okay. I have room in my house. You may not have room in your house. These are great because they're compact, they do hold a lot, and they are actually very good at what they do. Okay, they're pretty energy efficient. Some are better than others, but for the most part, they're a good compact area space to have a set freezer so you can keep all of your frozen stuff in for a prolonged period of time. Now, like I said, the cons, you got the bottom, which is probably going to be there for a very, very long time. The pros, like I said, they do fit well in small spaces, and you don't need a lot of this, because basically, usually you have nothing there. You do this, you dig in, it's right there, and you're gone. So, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back next week for more wonderful information, and have a great day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.